Hi guys, bradamckinnon here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about the Tate Pro Compact Pro Reach flat box handle, and we're just going to go through it here. It's a small handle extending from 610mm up to 890mm, 24 inches to 35 inches, 3 different positions, and we're just going to have a look at it here in the sort of short position. And it's excellent for doing vertical joints on the walls, as you can get over the top of the box. Having a long handle, you need to sort of have it beside the body, but it's great to get your weight over the top of it. And it's also really good for horizontal joins that are sort of down low or up high, as you can see here. Just makes it a lot easier than having a longer handle. And then here again with the vertical joints, just getting, you can see it there, getting over the top of the box and the handle, rather than having it down the side of your body. So really good for that sort of thing. You can see here, just looking at the brake system there, it's a proven all position brake, so stop your handle in any, or stop the box in any position. Doesn't need any lubrication, and then extends there, 3 different positions going up to 890mm, so 3 different locking positions there. So I find it really good for doing 2.4 meter high stud there, or 8-foot stud. You can see it there, extended it out to its max there just to do some ceilings. Perfect for me. I have done 2.7 stud or 9-foot stud, and I'm a tall guy and it's a bit of a stretch. You might do one joint, but I wouldn't do a whole house. So I'd say 2.4 or 8-foot stud's the limit. And just a simple push the button, change positions there. Great for closets, toilets, those confined spaces that you can't normally get into. And another great feature with this handle, and all the Tate Pro handles in fact, is you can see that little indentation there where you screw the wing nut on. It's actually a sort of a safety feature, so if your wing nuts do come loose, it's not, your box is not going to fall off the handle. You can see there, I'm just going to do these up a little bit loose, and the box can't come off just because of that sort of indentation there, or that sort of where they've countersunk it. This is a great little feature. I have on other handles that don't have this, I've had the box slip off once and it wasn't good. So that, I find that a great little feature there. So it weighs 1 kg or 2.2 pounds, so great little handle. It's the best one I've got in my arsenal. Just see me here using it here. It's great for just your standard horizontal joints there through the middle, just on short mode. But where I think it excels is these vertical joints there. Great handle, really love it. I use it all the time and highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.